Group and ungroup. This tool is useful to group and ungroup multiple objects. Here we have some objects. Select multiple objects, and press Group button. You can see, all objects are grouped as single object. You can use this button with shortcut key, Ctrl G. Select multiple objects, and press Ctrl G. Let's see how to ungroup any grouped object. First select any group object, and press Ungroup button. Now you can select single object. You can also ungroup any object with shortcut key, Ctrl U. First select any group object, and press Ctrl U. Now you can select single object.